Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki Drew, and I feel like it's been so long since I've spoken to you guys. Like, I know I've been uploading, but I haven't been filming. Like, everything I've been uploading has been like past film posts, you know, just stuff that I pre-filmed. So we are back filming. Hello, how are you? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook one of my favorite keto friendly meals. It is the Brussels sprouts. You guys saw the thumbnail. Hopefully I'll put a good picture in there, maybe. But yes, it is Brussels sprouts and like chorizo, garlic, Brussels sprouts, chorizo, lemon. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing it really quick because it is lunchtime and it's snowing. Can you guys see? So I'm not wearing any makeup, which is like not usual for me on my YouTube, but guys, get used to it because I lately have been just really focusing on my skin, and I just been really trying to get my skin popping. So obviously makeup kind of hinders that, so I haven't been doing a lot of makeup tutorials, but they're coming back. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials on my YouTube, let me know, because I've been focusing so much on makeup tutorials on my Instagram that I haven't been really uploading any makeup tutorials on my YouTube. So if you guys want me to continue doing the makeup beauty guru thing on my YouTube here, let me know. If you guys want me to focus on keto videos and fitness, let me know. If you want me to do more vlogs with my husband, let me know. Okay, so then this is all the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to be using this fresh lemon juice that I got from like Giant Eagle. You guys know I love this garlic and sea salt. And then we got this from BJ's, and this is from Trader Joe's. So this is all that you need. It's really, minus this, you really just need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6 recipe, pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my Brussels sprouts, and then we're gonna cut them up, and then we're gonna cut these up, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I make this. Yeah. Okay, so I regrouped the Brussels sprouts now that they are cut and shaved. I put them back into my colander, and now I'm going to work on chopping up the tofurkey vegan sausages. I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to let the pan get hot before I put the oil on. And I just got this from Target today. Shout out to my new drip bottle for my olive oil. So we buy extra olive oil in like bulk, and so we can't like always take it. We have been like just taking out the big old package and then pouring just a little, but we always end up pouring more. So I bought this drip bottle. It's just so fancy looking, and it's one of my most prized possessions now. What I feel like is 2 tablespoons. Yeah, okay, whatever. So, I mean, we don't measure stuff in this house. Okay, so it's a lot in here. So to get this to cook evenly, it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. We did make a lot, but it always comes through. So I'm not worried about it. We got sous chef in the house. I love to get it like that brown, crisp, like, oh yes, that looks so good. I love it like that, yes. This pan heating up for the sausages. This is the vegan sausage that we're making. And like I said, you don't have to cook these for long. You could literally just throw them in with the Brussels sprouts. I usually do, but we just made so many. I like my Brussels sprouts a little burnt, if I'm being honest. Like, I like them to look like very crispy. So they're getting there. The recipe says add 2 garlic cloves. I don't like to shop garlic, so I always just buy minced garlic, and I think like a clove is like a tablespoon or so. I don't know, don't use me as a reference. I'm gonna put just maybe 1 big tablespoon of garlic in it now. Alright, so we added the sausages in it, so now it's all coming together. You can see those garlic cloves, they're clinging onto the sausages, so it's okay that I added the garlic in before the sausages. It's looking so beautiful. Like, I don't know if it's the quality of my camera or what, but it just looks so good. I'm going to use this smoked paprika that we mentioned before. It says use 1/4 of a tablespoon. I'm going to eye it out because I'm a boss. And at this point, you can do a little taste test. Make sure that all your ducks are in a row. Make sure that, you know, if you want to add, like, it's a recipe, but clearly, like, I eye everything out for myself, for my taste buds. So if you want to add more salt, pepper, this is the time to do it before you take it off. I'm kind of sad that I put so much sausage in it. Like, that was definitely an L. But yeah, guys, basically she is ready. I want all my Brussels sprouts to kind of look like this. Like that part. A little taste test. Okay, she's ready. Ooh, it's hot. Straight from the oven. Okay. Guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. Man, I wish I had some freaking lemon wedges. I like my Brussels sprouts very crispy, so you could have took them out when they were very green and very pretty, but I like my Brussels sprouts to look very crispy, looking very burnt almost. Like, that's just how I like them, so that's how I cook them. But yes, this is the finished look. And I'm just going to basically dig in. This is keto friendly. It's about 8 carbs if you add the vegan sausages, and it's about 2 carbs if you just add regular turkey meat or chorizo, whatever you want. So the net carbs, it says it right there, is 2.5, and I didn't even follow that specific recipe. So what do you guys think? I really wish I had some freaking lemon wedges, but yeah, what I ordered versus what I got. But okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. Please tell me what you guys want me to cook next, what you guys want to see. I have a billion keto cookbooks, so if you guys have like a meal that you're just really having a hard time leaving behind and you want me to make a keto version of that meal, let me know in the comments. If you guys, I make really good like keto lasagna, keto mozzarella sticks, keto chicken tenders, all of that good stuff. If you guys want to see my recipes or some of the recipes that I have enhanced from my cookbooks, let me know in the comments what recipe you guys want me to cook next, and I will do that. Thank you so much for joining this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment of what food you guys are having a hard time leaving behind as a keto diet, and I will probably try to make that food keto friendly for you guys. So thanks for coming, thanks for going, bye. I will see you guys in the next video.